Dear student, very much good morning all of you. Exercise 8.4. First question. Express the trigonometric ratio sin A sec A tan A in term of cot A. It means sin A we will convert in cot A. So how that will be apply? 1 sin A is equal to, that means this one we can not do anything, so we will use here sin square is equal to, that means 1 upon cosec square A. This is the identity of this one. And then cosec square, we know that very well, cosec square is equal to, that will be 1 plus cot. So that sin A is equal to 1 upon 1 plus cot square A. Now you are looking, sin means we have converted in cot A, but here is a square, so we will remove this square. Sin A is equal to 1 upon under root 1 plus cot square A. Second, that is saying sec square, that is sec A. Sec A is equal to, so we will do here sec square. Sec square A is equal to, that will be 1 plus tan square. This is the identity. And then sec square A is equal to 1 plus the identity of tan A. Tan A is equal to 1 upon cot A. So that sec square A is equal to, that is a cot is LCM, cot square, and then cot square A plus 1 by the square. By the square, that will be cot square A plus 1 in under root, because we can't find the under root of that one. This is the cot A. And then last is tan A. Tan A is equal to, we know that 1 upon cot A. This is the answer. This is also answer, and this is also answer. And then second question, you will be do similarly, write all the other trigonometric ratio. Other means all the 5 of angle A in the term of sec A. Here we have find in the term of cot, that is cot, that is cot. And then in second question similarly you will be do in the term of sec, in the term of sec. Now the question number third has a 2 part, you can do very easily, that is, but first part I am showing here, that sin square 63 plus sin square 27, sin square 27 upon, that is cos square 17, cos square 17 plus cos square 73, square 73. So we have done already. Sin means cos, that is square is the same, 90 minus 63, and then this one will be same, sin square 27 degree, and then upon, that will be cos square means sin square 90 minus 17 degree plus cos square will be same, and then cos 90 minus A is equal to sin A, sin square 60 degree plus, that will be subtraction, so cos square, that will be 27 degree plus sin square 27 degree. that means sin 90 minus 17 is equal to sin 73 degree plus cos 73 degree. That cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1, and that one sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. This is the identity. That is one answer. Similarly, you will be do second part, and fourth question is optional. So in first part you will be take the common 9 and then identity you will be apply, then your answer will come 9. And then second question, when you will be multiply both bracket after the calculation, then your answer will come. Third question, again you will be do, first of all you will convert sec and tan in sin cos, then after you will be multiply both bracket. And then fourth part, that cot square you will be converted in tan, then your answer will be come. And then now the fifth question has much more part. So that is proved. Think cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to, that is 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta. It means this is the answer. So by left hand side, that is cos means 1 upon sin, and then minus cot means that is cos theta upon sin theta, cos theta upon sin theta, and then square is also there, whole square, and then after sin is a LCM, so that 1 minus cos theta, and then square we will also give the similarly, and then after this thing you will be write 2 times after that, and then sin square means that the identity 1 minus cos square, and then we can see here this thing we will write 2 times 1 minus cos theta 1 minus cos theta by the square, and then a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b, and then this will be cancel, and then your answer will come 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta is equal to RHS. Next, second part, that is cos A upon 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A, and then plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equal to 2 sec A, So by left hand side, that is a LCM 1 plus sin A and then cos A. This is the LCM. So by cross multiply, that is a cos square A, and then this one will be 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A. 2 sin A. So that cos square that is identity 1 plus 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A cos A. and then 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A cos A, and then 2 can be take common, so that will be 1 plus sin A upon 1 plus sin A and then cos A. Bracket size cancel by bracket, so 2 and then 1 upon cos means sec A. Sec A is equal to RHS. And then third part on next page, that third part tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta, cosec theta by left hand side. First of all, we will convert this thing in sin cos, so that will be sin theta upon cos theta and then main upon 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta, and then plus this one cos theta upon sin theta and then main upon 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta, and then after we will see, here we will take the LCM and here also, and upper thing we will be write same, so that sin theta upon cos theta mean upon, that is means equal sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta upon, that is sin theta, and then plus similarly here also cos theta upon sin theta, here we will also take the common, so that will be cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta, and then by this one reciprocal, that will be sin square theta upon, that will be cos theta sin theta minus cos theta, and then by the reciprocal, you know that the mean upon is this one, and this is also in upon, this is also in upon, so that will be in goes like this in multiply sin theta upon sin theta, that one, so that is a by reciprocal, and then here we will put the minus, but here we are looking plus. Why I have written here minus? Because this is sin minus cos, or this is cos minus sin, so this will be converted by this sign, so that similarly this will be also, and then sin theta, and then sin theta minus cos theta. Now LCM, that is sin theta cos theta and bracket sin theta minus cos theta, and then now you are looking these things is cancelled, so this is left, so that will be sin power 3 theta minus, this will be also same come sin power 3 theta. You know very well AQ minus BQ is equal to A minus B, and then A square plus B square plus AB, it means sin theta cos theta, and then upon thing will come same, sin theta cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. So this bracket has cancelled by this bracket. Sin square plus cos square is equal to 1 plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta, and then after we will do that one separate. 1 upon sin theta cos theta plus this one sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. It means one time this one time by this one. So this will be cancelled. So 1. So 1 upon sin means that is cosec plus 1 upon cos means we know that sec plus 1 is equal to RHS. That one, see that we have found that one, same thing. And then next question, that fourth part, 1 plus sec A, 1 plus sec A upon tan A is equal to sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. So by left hand side, that one 1 plus sec means 1 upon cos, and then tan means sin upon cos, sin theta upon cos theta, and then here we will take the LCM, that is cos theta, and then cos theta plus 1 or 1 plus cos theta we can also write here, that is not a main upon, this is the main upon, and this one also we can write in multiply because upon is given there, and then cos theta upon sin theta. So that is cancelled. So here will be 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta, 1 plus, that will be. Now what we can do here now, tan theta cos theta, that will be. Now what we will do here, that just a wait, I have written here, just think wrong, that is a sec theta, so that will be also 1 upon cos, that will be upon 1, so here will be not left anything. So we need to 1 minus cos also, so we will write here 1 minus cos by ourselves, and then upside also we will write same thing, so that multiply of that one, that will be 1 minus cos square theta upon, that will be 1 minus, this is the same, so that 1 minus cos, this the identity is sin square upon 1 minus cos A is equal to RHS. Fifth question, that is just lengthy question. That is cos A minus sin A, cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon, that is cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. We need to prove that one. So first of all we will convert this thing in cos and cot, because it's given there using the identity cos square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. So first of all we will convert this one and then this type of thing by left hand side, that will be cos upon sin. It means both sides we will divide by sin. See on the next here, because here is just less space. That cos upon sine, that will be cos A upon sine A, and then that will be sine upon sine, and plus 1 upon sine upon main upon, and then cos upon sine plus sine upon cos, sine A upon cos A minus 1 upon sine A, and then here we will write both sides divided by left hand side. Here we can write left hand side and both side divide by sin theta only, divide by sin A, and then you are looking that one sin cos upon sine means that is cot A, cos upon cos sin means 1 plus 1 upon sine means cosec, and then after that will be same cot A plus 1 this will be sine cos upon sine means cot plus 1 minus that will be cosec. Now we will rationalize that one. Same thing, this one will be right, cot A plus 1 plus cosec A, but we will change only one sign, so that will be also cot A plus 1 plus cosec A. Now we will multiply by this one, just length is multiply that one, cot square A, and then plus cot A, and then plus cot A cosec A, and then by 1 minus cot A minus 1 minus cosec A, 1 2 3 4 5 6, now by cosec plus cosec A, here we will write cosec A cot A plus cosec A plus cosec square A, and then upon same thing will become, only that will be sign will be changed, same thing will become cot square A plus cot A plus cot A cosec A plus cot A plus 1 plus cosec A. Now all the thing in come minus, and then minus cosec A cot A minus cosec A minus cosec square A, and then now we will see who is going on cancel, so that cot A cancel by cot A, and then cos A cancel by cos A. Here cosec A cot A is cancelled, and then cos A cancel, and then now what we will do here, that cot square A, and then cosec square A minus 1 is cot square A, plus cot A cosec A is 2 times is there, so 2 cot A cosec A upon that you are looking cot A, cot square A, and then anywhere that is looking same, that is a cot A. So that is 1 minus cosec square. It means that will be minus cot square A. This is the identity by sign, and then left is cot A and then cot A, 2 times is left, so plus 2 cot A. Now this will be 2, this will be cancel, this will be 2 times, so that 2 cot square A plus cot 2 cot A cosec A, and then 2 cot A, and then 2 is common, 2 cot common, 2 cot A common, so that will be cot A plus cosec A upon 2 cot A, so 2 cot A cancel by 2 cot A, so left is that one, left is cot A plus cosec A, cot A plus cosec A is equal to RHS, and then next question is that under root, 6 part, under root 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A, 1 minus sin A is equal to, that is sec A plus tan A, sec A plus tan A. So by left hand side, that is 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A, and then we will rationalize the denominator, that is 1 plus sin A upon 1 plus sin A, and then after by the multiply of that one we will write same sin A whole square, and then that will be 1 minus sin square, 1 minus sin square A, and then under root, so that 1 plus sin A whole square, and then 1 minus sin square is equal to cos square, and then after you are looking both places whole square is looking, so that will be 1 plus sin A upon cos A, by the square that under root is cancelled, so that is 1 upon cos, or this is sin upon cos, sin upon cos, so that 1 upon cos means cosec, and then cos upon sin means tan is equal to RHS. Next, seventh part is that sin minus sin theta minus 2 sin square theta upon 2 cos square theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. So that by left hand side that will be sin theta is common. Sin theta is common, so that will be 1 minus 2 sin theta, and then cos theta is common. Cos theta is common, so that 2 cos square theta minus 1. Sin upon cos means we know that tan theta. It means this bracket will be cancelled. So how that will be cancelled? We will see here. Sin theta upon cos theta, and then 1 minus 2 sin theta. This one thing also we can change, but this one is better than change. Better for changing. 2 cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta, and then minus 1, and then sin theta upon cos theta, 1 minus 2 sin theta, and then this will be 2 minus 2 sin square theta by multiply that one, minus 1, and then sin theta upon cos theta, and then 1 minus 2 sin theta, and this one will be 2 less 1 minus 2, sorry, that is not square, sin theta, or this is also not square, and then this is the cancel. So sin upon cos means tan theta is equal to RHS. Now the eighth part is that sin square plus cosec square is equal to, that is eighth part, sin A plus cosec A whole square, and then plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So first of all we will open that whole square. So that will be by left hand side, that is sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A cosec A, and then this one also will open, cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A sec A, and then sin square plus cos square is equal to 1 plus this is the cosec square A. So cosec square A means 1 plus cot square A, that will be 1 plus cot square A. Yes, that, and this one will be cancelled, because like this we can write 2 sin A, cosec means upon sin A, that will be cancelled, plus cos we have taken already, sec means 1 plus tan square A, plus this one also like this same, cos A upon cos A, sec means cos A, cos A cancelled by cos A, and then after Then after 1 plus 1 2, 2 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is 7 plus left is cot square A then tan square A is also left, is equal to RHS. And then ninth part, that is cosec A minus sin A, in one bracket, and then sec A minus cos A, sec A minus cos A, sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 upon tan A plus cot A, tan A plus cot A. So by left hand side, cos means 1 upon sin plus, sorry, minus is there, minus sin A. And then similarly here also 1 upon cos A minus cos A. So first of all, that will be sin, take that one. So that will be 1 minus sin A, sin square A upon sin A. Multiply, here also LCM cos A. So that will be 1 minus cos square A. Now that will be 1 minus sin means cos square A upon sin A. This is the identity, and then this is also identity, that is a sin square A upon cos A. So cos A square cancel, square that and cancel, so that cos A sin A. But we need to prove that one. We have not found out that one. So this one also we can solve by right hand side, that is 1 upon, that is tan means sin A upon cos A plus cot means cos A upon sin A. Now that LCM is main upon is this one, 1. So sin A cos A is LCM, sin A cos A is LCM, so that will be sin square A plus cos square A. So this value we know that this is the identity 1. That value is 1. So we will see that here is equal to 1 multiply sin A cos A upon 1, because sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. So that 1 now multiply in that cos A. Now LHS is equal to RHS. And then last question is left, that 10th part, 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A is equal to, that is 1 minus, that is 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A, 1 minus cot A, that is whole square, is equal to tan square A. We need to prove that tan square A. And then by left hand side, 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot means 1 upon tan. So that will be 1 plus tan square A, and then here is LCM tan square A, so that will be tan square A plus 1, so that 1 plus tan square A, and then multiply because that is a main upon, so that will be reciprocal tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A, and then whole bracket will be cancelled, equal to RHS by that one thing we have proved. So that thing 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus 1 upon tan A, that is whole square. So that 1 minus tan A upon, that is tan A minus 1 tan A minus 1 upon tan A. So by reciprocal, that 1 minus tan A multiply, here is a 1 minus tan A, this is a tan minus 1. So what we will do here, that 1 minus tan A upon, here we will write minus tan A, minus tan A whole square. So this will be cancelled, so that will be minus tan A square is equal to tan square A is equal to RHS. Okay.